the easiest way to set up a WireGuard VPN server on a Linux VPS. We explain everything clearly and to the point, without any fluff. Head over to our hosting service sebecvps.com and choose the plan that suits you best. Use the promo code YouTubeSebek when ordering a VPS on our site to get a 10% discount. Select Ubuntu 22.04, as I will be demonstrating using it as an example. Next, we connect to our server via SSH. For how to do this, check out our other video. The link is in the description and in the tips above. For convenience, let's open our article where all the commands used will be duplicated. The link will also be in the description. So let's start. Update the package list. Update the system packages. Wait for the update to complete. Install the necessary packages. Install Docker. Activate Docker. Let's create a working folder for our WireGuard server, where our connection profiles will be generated. Now we will create a Docker container and launch our WireGuard server. This will require using a long command. A detailed description of this command is written in the article. If necessary, you can change something for yourself. I won't change anything for now. Copy and paste. All that remains is to connect to our VPN server. We can do this in 3 ways. Download the config via SFTP, or display the contents using a command. Download a QR code image to your PC via SFTP to open and quickly connect through the WireGuard client on your mobile device. Generate a QR code directly in the terminal and scan it with a mobile device. With this method, note that you need to download this file first, and then proceed to scanning. Each method is described in detail in the article. You can choose the one that suits you. I will demonstrate using the first method and display the file content via the SSH client using a command. So we see the following content. Now, open WireGuard. Click on the plus, then add empty tunnel. Enter any name, for example, Test VPN. Delete all the content and paste ours, which we got in the terminal, and click Save. Click Allow. And then click on Activate. As we can see, our VPN is successfully connected. Let's check if our IP address has changed. Go to browserleaks.com. Yes, as we can see, everything is perfect. Our IP has changed to the Netherlands. Subscribe to the channel and support the video with a like.